All right, welcome everyone. Another day in our that's the only really interesting thing we got so far. We got the little spinning gear on that one and the counterweight that I haven't figured out what it does yet. This one doesn't really do anything yet. But anyways, we're ready to start up on page 18 today. So let's see, where am I going? Looks like we're going to build this little gear assembly and then start putting some pieces together. Alright, so put you guys over here so I can get the lubrication station in when I need it, which is going to be pretty soon, I think. And I just got the ugly little battery symbol on the screen, but I'm going to pull my pieces before I undo that. Okay. So I need everything's from page 2 today. It's 3. Got them out of order. Put them in order. Need 40 and 2 60s. There's 160. It just happened to be right there where I'd see it. I'm breaking the whole frame off to get it. And there's the other 60. And a 40. Here's a right there in the middle of everything. Okay. And another 40. Which, right there. Yeah. Okay. And 261. So boom, boom. Gears are always easier to spot. Okay. And believe that will be all the pieces we need to do this one. So let's sand these down right quick. See how much time that takes off the clock. And I may go ahead and try and assemble this part of it before swapping the batteries out. Sounds like my dog just got scared of herself. Heard her jump. But she hasn't been barking now, so it must not have been too traumatic an experience for her. Yeah, it's not flashing the red low battery symbol yet, so I'm gonna try and knock out this little bit of assembly here. So let's go and knock these two together and put the 40s on the end. And it says wax on that part down there. So let's load up this one with wax. There we go. More light coat around, I think. Alright. Now we take this there, this there, gears all line up. There's the nasty red battery symbol, so I'm going to stop and change batteries. Be right back. Alright, I have returned. And then we snap this onto the other side. And basically everything gets waxed on this one. So, do the other in here. A little more on this side. Now the gears. Gear teeth, I guess, is more appropriate. I wonder. No, that didn't work. And ended up with a bunch of waxing at the bottom, so don't get greedy like I just did, trying to do everything at once. They've already been all the way around now. Okay. That was quick. To me, anyway. I don't know how it is on the watching side of things. Okay. Man. Looks like I don't think that good. Oh, that must be where I was trying to do both at once. So. There's all the way around. Okay. Now, that's all the assembly for page 18. So we gotta take this guy. It goes into this hole here. So, I'm gonna run over and back down. Line this one up. Okay, and it pops right in, and this should, that cat just threw up in the floor. And here she goes again. I'm going to take a break, let her get this cleaned up. You're right. Alright. Bad part about having a cat. There she goes again. Nah, that's a false alarm. Okay. Alright, so those go. As I just realized. Yeah, I want to make sure I need to. Okay, I just realized I goofed up on this. Okay, pop that out of there. Slide this one. This one needs to be. Get it out of the. All the way down. That one all the way up. Now, roll it into the. Now that should be. No, that one's not all the way up. Okay, wait. Well, I think that's about. Well, no, it does. Okay, so get you out. Okay. You're all the way up, you're all the way down. Gears are meshed in. This goes. Until that wax gets worked in, that's going to be put. Okay. Ooh. You're all the way up, you're all the way down. Yeah, I think maybe I ought to do what else I got to do to secure it before I. But, okay. That concludes page 18. On to 19, we'll take this guy. And like so. Okay, so this is going to go over that. And these two slots go on those two pegs. Alright, I think. But it wants to go. I want to go. No. Wait a second. Have I got this? No, that's right. You know. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. I confused myself. Wait a second. That's not working right. Hang on. That's, I got interference. That doesn't, sure that doesn't. Oh, that's right. Okay, it's okay. It's supposed to be the other way. Let's come put you down. Okay, yes. That's how we're supposed to start it now. Yeah. Now this, now this will work. Okay. You onto you. This one into that one. Maybe. You onto there. Okay. So now I got that in place. And this is supposed to well, everything I'm trying to grab. Okay. Oh. Work the wax in a hoop. Okay, I'm having to give it a little assistance right now, but I think as the wax, as we get it rolled in, it'll. Okay, yeah, already starting. There it goes. Now we're. And of course, I'm twisting a little bit too, not being fully supported, but. Yeah, okay. I feel good about that. Okay, alright. And of course that's where you can see where the wax is worn off. The excess wax is cleared. And it's moving much nicer now. Alright, okay, so that's good. And that concludes page 19. Nice. Easy enough. Okay. Now we're going to go back to assembling more pieces, so set you aside. And all off page 2 again. And hang on a second, I'm going to sneeze. Okay. Need 62, 63. 62. And 63. 64, and there's a 27 I'm gonna need. 64, there right in the middle. Alright, gotcha. And a 27, and I'm gonna need another marble. I'm gonna stick with the blues because I've still got, because this will give them 2 of all the other colors, not blue. And then 2 66s, 13 and 14. Okay, 66 and 66. Alright. Next. 13 and 14. 13 is a gear. Down at the bottom, I see it now. 13 and 14. Oh, did I miss? No. Oh, yeah, I did miss. There was a 65. Here, go ahead and break his 27 out so I can. Poking stick and wobble. There he goes. All right. Let's see. 13 and 14. Then 67, 15, and 14. Oh, see. I never found the 14 over here, did I? Nope. 14. Ah, side there. 14. Okay. Now 67, 15, 14. So 67. 15 and 14. More circles. There's 14, 15, and 14. Alright. 14. 15. Okay. Now. Right. Now, you oriented like so. And the 27 on the bottom there. This guy slides down onto there. Alright. Take a marble. There it goes. Okay. Counterweight situation going on there again. And that's that part. Now we take our 66s, join them together, put 13 on the, oh, yeah, the end, this end. Maybe the other end. Yeah, there it goes. Heard a bad crack there. I don't want to keep pushing that. Okay. We are going to end up waxing this and 14 on that. Alright, 14. And on the other end, 67. And 15. That's right way, other way. Nope, can't be that way. Oh, it just, that's where it's supposed to stop, okay. Got the shoulders there it's supposed to stop on, and then this holds it in place a bit. Yep, that's very sturdy. Okay. Okay, and like I say now, everything gets waxed. So. Start with the round smooth parts just because they're easier to wax. And for kicks, I'm going to go ahead and throw a little extra wax around this gear on the side because I have a hunch it's going to be a friction area. Alright, now the teeth. And this one. That worked out good. Now the other sides. Okay. Now, is there any waxing on? Oh yeah, on this little. Yep, do need wax on these pieces as well, the circle parts here. Alright, now bring out this assembly. Land it like so on the picture. This goes oh, nope. Wait a second. Something's not right, or maybe that. Okay, wait a second. What have I done? I put this piece on upside down. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. That's what. Because this part is supposed to be above this part. Okay. Okay, that's not too bad. Not fun to undo, but it is undoable. Okay. So this is supposed to be, yeah, like that. Okay, so just put these guys, reverse them again. Other way. Come on. Oh, too many moving pieces here. Okay, move you there. Okay, so this goes over that. You. Okay. Did you get back in? You're not seated. Get you. Okay. Okay. That. Now we need to Still not matching up. What's going on here? Okay, yeah it is. Yeah, that's right. Okay. That was panic-inducing. Okay, so where do you go? Okay, so now this goes in here, and that goes over that. Yeah, that's where it shows it ended up as at. Okay. That's not much play there. Make sure that wax gets worked in real good there. Okay. Then, okay, so that's done on that piece. And we'll bring this piece out. Oh, this ties it all together. Okay. So this goes like so. Take this guy with the big gear in. You go in here. Yep, there are those tied together. Yep. Like always, just working that wax into place. And a few couple of times just to... Okay. And we take this one like so. You go over that, I think. Yep. Go into, okay, so that, this other piece is going into that one. Those things up there. Okay. Get everybody to line up. Okay. Careful not to break the frame. Okay, you in, you're in, you're in. This isn't lined up, that lined up, that one is not lined up. Pick the marble up, get you into your spot. And okay. Okay, you're in. You're in. This one. Got these two going here and here. Alright. And that takes us through page 21. And this is going... Okay, it's good. Does it not have clearance there? Where's that little... That's running into here. Alright. Everybody's seated where they're supposed to be. You're seated. Yeah, 'cause this one, that's going to come down. Get that. Bring it up. Where's... Can't... I do not have visual on my little... Whirligig. Okay, there's the whirligig thing. It's not... Okay, so here... Okay, if there's not something to cause it to change direction... Okay. Clearances. Okay. that one. I'm thinking I may have these upside down. Let me go back to that. Okay, so this is no, hard to tell. That's the same. Mount it up here. Okay, let's see here. No, that's... Yeah, that's what I've done. No. Yeah. That's this... Yep, that's what has happened. Okay. Now, how do I get those out? Let me stop here and reset because I'm going to have to run out of time before I get this fixed, I think. Okay. But yeah, this here, that would... Yeah. Okay. So... need to get one of these off. That'll give me clearance. Everything else is sort of held together. Okay, let's see if I can pop this one back out. Okay, maybe. Okay. I think it's gonna go. Okay, pop off, stay, keep everything else together. You come out. Okay. Okay. So, that done. You out. You out. You over here. Back in there, back in there. You for the short side. Yeah, you in there. So let's actually start you off with the one at the top, one at the bottom. Okay. These guys here, here. Everybody in place over there. Okay. Much easier to do in parts. Okay, you. Oh, get you. You in there. And, oh, no, that's right. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see if that works better. Well, it's still hitting. Crap. Might be just me. Okay, it does. Don't break everything. Okay, that fits through those. That clearance is really snug. Now the question is, Okay, it hits a little bit. Oh, it's a little bit, but it's I think that's right. Get back over and look at this picture. Is there a better picture on the other side? Okay, it's okay, looking at that one. Okay. Looking at the picture back on page 18, that is correct. But it's not making a lot of contact with that. Maybe a little bit, but not. I guess it's hitting it some. Okay. Of course. Okay. Maybe that's all it's supposed to do, just barely touch it. It is okay. Alright. Well, I think that's gone on far enough tonight. I've got to have one big goof up like that on every project, at least one. And that, now that that's done, this is going to be in the way up here. And that's all. That has to be like that. Did I put no, okay, I guess it's not. Okay, it's got clearance there. Okay, I guess that's okay then. Okay. Well, we'll find out as I go on. That was traumatic. But I'm gonna cut off there because I'm about to lose my nerve. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay safe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.